Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about Hot Wheels Layin Lowrider. Let's check back of this card and it shows it has a special feature. I'll get back to it later. As this is an unlicensed casting that represents a slam 1960s full-size automobile with unevenly raised and lowered axles. Let's unbox it and let's see how does it look in person. And here it comes. The body color is metal flake lime green color, and it has a lucha themed graphic on hood, trunk and side, and it has a purple tinted windows and gray interior. I would like to put a little bit focus on the interior. The interior of the casting sits very low into the body and is incomplete, with only seats and no dashboard or steering wheel in it. The seats themselves are cast into the base and are very hollow. The base is chrome and it is made in Malaysia. This is how the sound when you roll the front wheel. Let's roll it and it goes pretty smooth. And I feel like it's having a shock absorber when I'm pressing the die-cast car. Love it. So here are some details about the Layin Lowrider. First debut was done in 2022 with the series XP Motors. The designer is Sonny Fisher and they have already released two, that was Metal Flake Red and Metal Flake Pale Blue, and this is the one which they released in 2023, that is Metal Flake Lime Green. These versions showcase a variety of colors, graphics and wheel designs, making the Layin Lowrider a standout addition to any Hot Wheels collection. And if you're looking to buy this die-cast toy car, in the retail shop it will cost you around like $2, but in the online shopping it will cost you like more than $5. So before I end this video, I would like to talk about the super thanks which is featured on YouTube that allows viewers to show extra gratitude to the creators. When you all enjoy my video, you can express your appreciation by tapping the super thanks button. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy collecting.